Welcome. The Polestar is a Swedish premium electric performance car manufacturer that originated at the performance division of Volvo Car, later becoming an independent brand under the joint ownership of Volvo and its parent company, Geely. The brand's mission is to produce electric vehicles that embody sustainability, advanced technology, and refined Scandinavian design. Polestar began its journey with limited-run performance car but has since transitioned to a dedicated electric vehicle lineup, with models like the Polestar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the upcoming Polestar 6 and Polestar 7. Each model marks a distinct step in the brand's evolution, both in terms of technology and design language. The Polestar 1 was the brand's debut offering as a standalone automaker, released in 2019 as a high-performance plug-in hybrid Grand Tourer. It combined a turbocharged and supercharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with two rear-mounted electric motors, producing a combined 619 horsepower and a Nm of torque. It offered a pure electric range of about 77 miles (125 km), the longest of any plug-in hybrid at the time. Built with extensive use of carbon fiber to reduce weight and increase rigidity, the Polestar 1 was positioned as a halo car and limited to 1,500 units worldwide. It was assembled in Chengdu, China, in a facility dedicated to low-volume, high-quality production. Following the Polestar 1, the brand shifted fully toward electric vehicles with the Polestar 2, a compact fastback launched in 2020. Built on Volvo's CMA, compact modular architecture platform, the Polestar 2 initially debuted as a dual-motor, all-wheel drive EV with 408 horsepower and a 78 kWh battery offering up to 275 miles of range (EPA). It later expanded to include single-motor, front and rear-wheel drive variant, improving efficiency and accessibility. Notable features included Google's Android Automotive OS integrated directly into the infotainment system, offering native Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store access. The car also emphasized sustainability, using vegan interior materials and recycled plastics. Its minimalist interior, digital-first interface, and over-the-air update capability positioned it as a credible alternative to rivals like the Tesla Model 3 and BMW i4. In 2023, Polestar expanded into the electric SUV market with the launch of the Polestar 3, a mid-size luxury SUV designed for long-range cruising and advanced driver assistance. Based on a new platform co-developed with Volvo, the SPA2 architecture, the Polestar 3 features dual motors, up to 517 horsepower, and a large 111 kWh battery, offering a WLTP estimated range of up to 379 miles. The Polestar 3 emphasizes aerodynamic through features like an integrated rear aero wing and front air channels. It includes an NVIDIA Drive Compute powering safety and assistance systems, along with LiDAR capability for future autonomous features. Its interior is luxurious yet sustainable, using materials such as Microtech, wool blends, and certified leather. The Polestar 3 is built in both China and the US, with the latter production taking place in South Carolina, marking Polestar's first North American manufacturing footprint. The Polestar 4, launched in 2024, sits between the 2 and 3 in size and performance. It adopts a coupe-style SUV form and stands out for eliminating the rear window entirely, using a rear-facing camera system instead. This bold design choice improves aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining rear visibility through an interior display. The Polestar 4 uses the C Sustainable Experience architecture, developed by Geely and offers both single and dual motor variant, up to 544 horsepower, and a range exceeding 300 miles depending on configuration. The cabin is a tech-forward space with a large horizontal infotainment screen, floating console, ambient lighting, and sustainable textile derived from recycled PET bottles and other eco-materials. The Polestar 5, still in development as of 2025, represent the production version of the Polestar Precept concept. It will be a high-performance electric Grand Tourer built on a bonded aluminum platform developed in the UK by Polestar's research team in Coventry. It aims to offer sport car-like performance with luxury sedan comfort. The car is expected to feature an 800-volt architecture, a dual-motor setup with over 870 horsepower, and a minimalist, highly sustainable interior. Polestar envision the 5 assets flagship in terms of innovation and design purity, incorporating advanced materials like flax composite and cutting-edge safety features rooted in Volvo's heritage. Another highly anticipated model is the Polestar 6, a two-door electric roadster based on the stunning Polestar concept. Scheduled for production in 2026, the Polestar 6 promises open-top electric performance with the same 800V architecture and bonded aluminum chassis at the 5. Initial spec suggest 884 horsepower, 0-200 km/h in under 3.2 seconds, and a top speed of 250 km/h. The concept version featured a drone that could autonomously film the car in motion, though this may not make it to production. The Polestar 6's design combine muscular haunch, minimal front overhang, and a dramatic rear diffusé, creating a performance look rooted in aerodynamic function. Across all models, Polestar emphasizes sustainability not just through electrification but through supply chain transparency, circular materials, and carbon footprint reduction. Each vehicle's carbon footprint is published in a life cycle assessment report, showcasing the brand's commitment to accountability. Interiors prioritize vegan and recycled materials, while future goals include fully climate-neutral car by 2030 under the Polestar Zero project. Polestar has rapidly grown into a leading name in the premium electric vehicle market, leveraging its performance heritage, Scandinavian design sensibility, and sustainability mission. With plans to expand into new markets, produce locally in North America and Europe, and diversify its lineup with high-performance and family-oriented models alike, the brand is positioned as a serious competitor in the global EV race. Its direct-to-consumer sale model, use of minimalist retail space, and integration of over-the-air updates continue to modernize how customers engage with their vehicles. As the industry evolves, Polestar's focused identity, clear values, and engineering expertise suggest it will remain at the forefront of premium electric mobility.